Hi, I'm Jake, and this class will teach you how to create a fire portal reveal, which is great for beginners and experienced VFX artists. You don't need any experience working with Adobe After Effects to learn this effect. You can even download the free trial version and it will work fine. I'll explain each step we will take to create this VFX shot. I'll provide you with all required knowledge so you can film your footage and understand each setting to adjust this effect so it looks exactly as you want. Also, I'll provide this awesome VFX fire reveal so you could use it to complete this class. You can always write your questions under any of my classes to get help from me while creating cool effects. I'm excited to see your projects after completing this class. I think it's the best way to learn this software while creating interesting effects for fun. And to complete this class, our goal is to create this fire portal reveal. I'll be happy to see you in my class as also your result after following all the steps. So let's get started.